Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will look at Vocabulary 2 in Book 1, Reading and Writing, Unit 7 on page 135. The unit question is, how are children and adults different? Let's begin. The first word that we learn is participate. Participate. Participate is a verb. It means to do something together with other people. For example, the students love to participate in class. All of these students are participating in class by raising their hands. We participate in activities and games with our friends. In Arabic we say, يشارك. Represent. Represent. Represent is a verb, a fi'l. It means to be an example or sign of something. For example, on a map, the colors green and blue represent land and water. So on this map, the color blue represents water and green represents land. And when it's yellow, it represents a hot desert. In Arabic we say ينوب عن. Collect. Collect. Collect is a verb, a fi'l. It means to take things from different people or places and put them together. For example, I must collect all my dirty clothes for laundry, meaning I must find all my clothes from around the house. Maybe it's in the bathroom, maybe it's in my room, maybe it's under my bed. I must collect all my dirty clothes for laundry. This person is collecting garbage. In Arabic we say يجمع. Village. Village. Village is a noun, an ism. It means a very small town. For example, Anis lived in a small village before he moved to Medina. In Arabic we say قرية. Dive. Dive. Dive is a verb, a fi'l. It means to jump with your arms and head first, usually, normally, into water. For example, I love to dive into the cold water on a hot day. Do you love to dive? In Arabic we say يغوص. Tie. Tie. Tie is a verb, a fi'l. It means to connect a cord or a rope or a wire or a string. For example, I must tie my shoelace before I go out. In this picture, this person is tying his shoelace. In Arabic we say يربط. Ceremony. Ceremony is a noun, an ism. It means a formal public or religious event. For example, Aisha attended her son's graduation ceremony. This right here is a graduation ceremony. It happens when students finish university or school or college. In Arabic we say احتفال رسمي. Century. Century. Century is a noun, an ism. It means a period of 100 years. 100 years is a century. We live in the 21st century. It began on January 1st, 2001 and will end on December 31, 2100. This is 100 years. In Arabic we say قرن. Practice. Using the words that we have just learned, fill in the blanks. You can pause this video when you are ready, press play. Let's begin. Number 1. You are invited to my wedding ceremony. Number 2. The blue lines on the map represents rivers. Number 3. My grandmother has lived for a century. Number 4. I will participate in the contest next year. Let's continue. Let's practice some more. Using the words that we have learned, fill in the blanks. You can pause this video when you are ready, press play. Let's continue. Number 5. The village didn't have electricity. Number 6. The teacher will collect the homework on Tuesday. Number 7. Whenever I go to Yambur, I dive into the Red Sea. Number 8. Can you please help me tie the rope?